Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Troubleshooting a shaky brake pedal, a comprehensive guide. When your brake pedal starts to vibrate or shake, it's more than just an inconvenience, it's a signal that your vehicle needs attention. Have you ever felt an unsettling shimmy underfoot when stopping your car? It's a common issue with various causes, from warped brake rotors to loose components. Understanding this problem is crucial for your safety and your vehicle's performance. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind brake pedal vibrations, how to diagnose the issue, and what steps to take to fix it. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just someone who wants to keep their vehicle in top shape, this guide will help you tackle the problem with confidence. Get ready to drive smoothly and safely once again. What causes a brake pedal to vibrate or shake? Identifying the reasons behind a vibrating or shaking brake pedal is crucial for maintaining road safety. Several common factors can lead to this issue, including warped brake rotors, worn brake pads, and suspension problems. Let's look into each of these causes to understand why your brake pedal might be exhibiting such behavior. Warped brake rotors. Warped brake rotors can result from a variety of factors, such as frequent braking leading to heat buildup or improper torque during installation. When the rotors become uneven due to heat or torque issues, it can cause vibrations in the brake pedal when you apply the brakes. Imagine a vinyl record with a slight warp, causing the needle to bounce as it plays. Similarly, warped brake rotors can lead to an unsettling sensation in the brake pedal, signaling the need for inspection and potential replacement. Worn brake pads. Worn brake pads are another common culprit behind brake pedal vibrations. As brake pads wear down over time, the friction between the pads and rotors decreases, affecting the braking efficiency. This reduced friction can cause the brake pedal to vibrate when pressure is applied. Picture a worn-out eraser on a pencil, it no longer grips the paper effectively. Similarly, worn brake pads can impact your vehicle's braking performance and manifest as vibrations in the brake pedal. Suspension issues. Problems with your vehicle's suspension components can also contribute to brake pedal vibrations. Worn-out suspension parts, such as bushings or struts, can create instability when braking, leading to vibrations in the brake pedal. Think of a worn-out spring in a trampoline, it no longer provides a smooth bounce. Similarly, worn suspension components can introduce unwanted movement, affecting the brake pedal's behavior. By addressing these potential causes promptly, you can ensure a smoother and safer driving experience. If you notice your brake pedal vibrating or shaking, consider these factors and consult a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection and necessary repairs. Symptoms of a vibrating brake pedal. When your brake pedal starts to vibrate or shake, it's essential to pay attention as it can indicate underlying issues with your vehicle's braking system. Understanding the symptoms that accompany a vibrating brake pedal can help you diagnose and address the problem promptly. Pulsation in the brake pedal. One of the primary signs of a vibrating brake pedal is a pulsating sensation when applying the brakes. You may feel a rhythmic pulsing or throbbing through the brake pedal as you attempt to slow down or come to a stop. This pulsation can be a clear indicator of warped brake rotors, which can occur due to overheating or general wear and tear over time. Steering wheel shaking. In addition to feeling vibrations through the brake pedal, you might notice your steering wheel shaking or vibrating when you brake. This symptom is often associated with issues such as unevenly worn brake pads or brake calipers that are sticking. The vibration in the steering wheel can be particularly noticeable at higher speeds or when braking more forcefully. Unusual noises. Another common symptom of a vibrating brake pedal is the emergence of unusual noises when you apply the brakes. You may hear grinding, squealing, or metallic sounds coming from the wheels or brake system. These noises can indicate various issues, such as worn brake pads, loose components, or debris trapped in the braking system. Ignoring these sounds can lead to further damage and compromise your vehicle's safety. By recognizing these symptoms of a vibrating brake pedal, you can take proactive steps to address brake-related issues before they escalate. Regular inspections and maintenance can help ensure your braking system functions optimally, providing you with a safe driving experience. Importance of addressing brake pedal vibrations. Addressing brake pedal vibrations is crucial for ensuring the safety and performance of your vehicle. Ignoring these vibrations can lead to potential safety risks, as they are often indicators of underlying issues within the braking system. By understanding the importance of addressing brake pedal vibrations promptly, you can prevent further damage to other parts of your vehicle and maintain optimal performance on the road. Safety risks. Brake pedal vibrations can be a warning sign of brake system problems, such as worn brake pads, warped rotors, or brake fluid issues. Ignoring these vibrations can compromise your ability to stop effectively, especially in emergencies. This poses a significant safety risk to you as the driver, your passengers, and other road users. Addressing brake pedal vibrations promptly is essential to ensure your brakes are functioning correctly and keep everyone safe on the road. Potential damage to other parts. Continued driving with brake pedal vibrations can cause damage to other parts of the braking system, leading to more extensive and costly repairs. For example, prolonged vibrations can wear down brake pads unevenly, resulting in premature replacement. Additionally, ignoring vibrations may cause further warping of the brake rotors, impacting overall braking performance. By addressing brake pedal vibrations early on, you can prevent additional damage to other critical components of your vehicle. Impact on vehicle performance. Brake pedal vibrations not only affect safety but also impact the overall performance of your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. In the next video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and fix a shaky brake pedal. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.